What's up, guys? Welcome to What's in the Shop Wednesday, where we take you on a tour through the shop and show you what's going on here. So it's a beautiful summer day. Just kidding, it's snowing, but it feels like summer in here because we're so ridiculously busy. So we'll start in the tint bay. We've got a brand new GMC Denali. This is our friend Ed, and we're tinting the front windows and the visor across the windshield. They're just finishing that one up right now. Sitting next to an SRT Jeep, beautiful car. This one got a ceramic coating. It's ready to go home. Patrick is currently inside of a GT3, 992 GT3, brand new body style. These things are gorgeous. And this one's brand new, got paint protection film on the bumper, the fenders, the full doors, and the rocker panels. He elected not to do the hood. He didn't want to remove the graphic and reinstall it, and he also didn't want to see the line that you get around there, so not a whole lot of options besides cutting around it, and he didn't want to do that either. So we also did a paint correction on the car, and now he's just cleaning up the glass, getting it ready to go home. In the wash bay is a Kia Telluride. This one's getting paint protection film on the whole front end and a ceramic coating, and we tinted the windows, so it looks like the tint is done. I know it's prepped, ready for paint protection or very close to that, and then the coating is going to be happening shortly after that. The perfect color on a Jeep Wrangler. Of course, we're biased. This is a hybrid, so this is the first Wrangler I've ever seen with a plug. Having this pull into the tint bay the other day with no noise from a Wrangler was pretty cool. So that one got the windows tinted. It's getting a ceramic coating. You can see he's doing some of the fine detail polishing right now. Dodge Durango, same paint color as the Jeep right beside it, and this one got ceramic coated as well. Looks like they're finishing that one up, doing the wheels off package, where we coat the whole inside barrel of the wheels and the brake calipers. Ryan's finishing touching up a Subaru. This got paint protection film on the front end, as well as looks like the A-pillars and roof. WRX is right next door. This one's getting ceramic coated. I believe that's Austin over there. He's over there finishing up, I think, the last couple panels of that. This one is a Bentley Bentayga, brand new. It's the Speed Edition. Absolutely gorgeous red and black. Diamond stitching on the seats, on the door panels to match. I had the privilege of picking this one up from our friend, and it has night vision in the dash. It pops up in the cluster. You could literally drive this thing with no headlights and see everything that's going on in front of you. It's really cool. I didn't do that, but you could. Steven is installing some heated seats on, what year is this thing? 2004 Wrangler manual transmission. You know I love that. So we work on a little bit of everything. And Aaron is currently doing some paint protection on a brand new Kia Carnival. I am certainly not a minivan guy, but what they're doing with minivans pretty much across the board is ridiculous. These things are like Escalades on the inside. Chrysler has a really nice minivan too. Minivans are just sweet now. When did that happen? All right, outside, the snow's coming down. We've got an Audi A3. This one got window tint. We're gonna be doing a paint correction and a ceramic coating and probably some paint protection film on that also. That is a diesel A3 wagon. This Camaro is getting some vinyl work. If I'm being totally honest, I'm not exactly sure what it's getting. I think it's some carbon fiber striping. Dean's been dealing with the customer on that one. This RAV4 is getting a remote start system installed. Tesla Model Y Performance. We always say there's always a Tesla here. It's pretty true at this point. Same with North Pittsburgh. This one's getting paint protection and a ceramic coating. That one's getting pulled in this afternoon. It's gonna get prepped. It's probably gonna get the paint protection installed today as well and polished and coated, polished and coated over the next 2 days. This Challenger, super important car. We've been talking about it for weeks, but didn't really release it yet. We are giving this car away. This is partnership with Horsepower Obsessed and RAR Transport. This thing has almost 1,400 horsepower at the crank. Ridiculously awesome car. Go to winthesekeys.com. For as little as $10, you can get an entry to win this thing. It is an absolute blast to drive. If you're a Hellcat fan, spend 10 bucks, get an entry to win this thing. You never know, could be yours. In front of that is a BMW X1, and that car's getting a fusion coating as well. That's another one that's coming in this afternoon to get prepped and starting on that process, the polishing. And beside those, we've got a trailer here, and we do some vinyl work every once in a while. This one, we did the Pavarnik Brothers logos on the side and the rear of the trailer. All right, so over here we've got a Porsche Macan. This one was here previously for paint protection film and a ceramic coating. Was back to get the interior ceramic coated as well. Beside it is another Jeep Wrangler. I love the color combo of the wheels and the paint on this one. It's a Rubicon, and this one's getting a ceramic coating, again, on deck for this afternoon. There's a lot happens usually on Wednesdays with finishing step one of coatings and moving on to the next group. Looks like the Denali's done with the window tint. And check this one out. Ford Bronco, which we've had a few of them in here at this point. This is the four-door version. I like these things a lot. But this one was here for a cat skin leather interior. So we got rid of the cloth and installed some custom fitted brown leather. In addition to the cat skins, this one also got heated seats installed. I'm not sure where the guys mounted the switches, but they're in here somewhere. Heated leather from cloth. A lot cheaper than stepping up to the next model of car to get those two options. That's it for what's going on in LATROBE. We're going to take you over to Luke and show you what's happening in North Pittsburgh.
What's up, guys? This is Luke from Blackout Tinting Gibsonia, here to show you what's going on in the shop. First up, we have a 2021 Dodge Charger. This was in about a month ago for full frontal paint protection film and is back in the shop now for a full XPEL Fusion Plus ceramic coating. Back in the work area, we have a 2021 Audi S7. This was in at the LATROBE location about a year ago for a full paint protection film wrap. He had some defects on the window trim and had those pieces replaced, and now we're putting on some fresh paint protection film. Back here we got Steve doing a full paint correction and XPEL Fusion Plus ceramic coating on this Genesis GV70. And in the paint protection film area, we have a Genesis Coupe. This is in for some hood paint protection film on this aftermarket hood. We're doing the red portion along with all the hood scoops. On display in the showroom, we have Justin from Horsepower Obsessed ZR1. You've probably seen this on our YouTube, Facebook, Instagram hundreds of times. It got a full XPEL PPF wrap along with window tint, coating, you name it, he got it done. And it's now here in Gibsonia in the showroom. If you want to check it out in person, stop by anytime. It'll be here all winter long. That's all for what's going on here at the North Pittsburgh location. We'll see you guys back here next week.
Thank you, Luke, for showing us what's going on in Pittsburgh. And thank you guys for watching. We will see you next week.